Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix no service issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have toggle airplane mode on and off. Enabling and disabling airplane mode can refresh the network connection, facilitating seamless reconnection for your iPhone. So you have open the setting and then you have click on airplane mode 2 or 3 times, so you have turn on and off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have take out the SIM card from uh, any site, so you have a SIM card and reinsert it. As we mentioned before, this problem could also be cached or damaged SIM card or one that is poorly inserted. Open the drive with a SIM ejector and then you have take out the SIM card, check it for any damage and it is fine, put it back and close drive. Check if the network has been restored. Then third solution, you have update your iPhone software. A software update can also work to fix the problem. Go to the setting, you have click on general, so then you have click on software update, and if one is available, tap on download and install to install it. Then fourth solution, you have reset network setting. Recovery mode also plays an important role in solving issues that are related to software problems. And if software problem are the reason behind iPhone white screen, then using recovery mode assist you can how to fix iPhone white screen of death. Here are the steps on you use recovery mode. So you have reset network settings, so you have click on general, again you have click on transfer reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then last solution, you have reset all settings, so you have all the device still will not connect. You may want to reset all settings to eliminate any bugs that could be causing the problem. To do that, go to setting, again you have click on general, again click on uh, again reset or transfer or reset iPhone, so you have click on reset again, so you have click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode and then you have confirm. Do not about worry, so you have only reset setting on your iPhone. Do not lose any data on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please start me in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.